Yes, people, this is Moshe again from Moshe Reggae Lounge. I just made 2 fish sandwich for 2 new people, and they're gonna get their response right now. Okay, folks, we have 2 beautiful people here from New York, and I just made them. They heard about my place from TripAdvisor, so they come to see if I live up to my name on TripAdvisor. So I made them 2 Rastaman fish sandwich, and I just want them to tell you, look at this.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. All right. And
Dios mío.
they're gonna, we always start with the ladies first. She's gonna tell us how she liked the sandwich.
It's delicious.
You see that?
Very fresh,
Yeah.
gigantic.
Yes.
And yeah, we're just enjoying ourselves and Moshe is on the beach.
Thank you.
Amazing.
And I make it fresh. I told them if they're willing to sit down and wait, I'll go get the fish.
Yes.
My guy usually brings me these things fresh, but his wife is in the hospital, so I had to run and pick it up. And this is her husband. This is her husband.
Yes.
So what is your name?
Harrison.
Harrison. So Harrison, how do you like the fish?
If you want the Iriest sandwich
In the world,
Dominican
right?
Republic,
You come deal with
maybe
it.
in the world,
Yes.
this is where you come.
Yes.
Yeah.
So she said it all. So I want to thank them for stopping by. It's a very slow day on the beach, even though there's people here. It takes a little while to build up, but I want to thank them for coming in.
Worth it.
They're digging in. Thank you guys. One love. Enjoy your sandwich.
One love.
Yeah.